I know you can't really see me right now because it's dark. It's 6 a.m. I'm outside, but yo, here marks the challenge right now. It's gonna be a crazy little time until I fix this. Check this out, guys. I've been waiting for this actually for you guys. Below average. This has happened to me twice before since I've started shopping with Instacart. I'm gonna go to the store and I'm gonna show you how we run it up and get it right with a low, below average rating. Oh my God, I'm gonna show you guys what I do. But first, let me tell you guys exactly what happened. It was alcohol, right? So she ordered a ton of alcohol. The cart was full. It had to be a party or something. But she also ordered 2 dozens of donuts. She didn't reply when I asked, what type of donuts do you want? But that's cool, right? So the store had pre-packaged dozens of donuts. So I just got 2 of the pre-packaged dozen donuts, right? So now we head over to the house. We get to the house. Nobody was there. Nobody. There was a freaking dog running around the yard and everything. And I'm just like, wait a minute, like, where is this person, right? So, of course, we're delivering alcohol. You have to scan ID. So I'm like, okay, I'm just going to give it a second, right? Ring the doorbell. No answer. Ring the doorbell. No answer. Call. No pickup. Call again. No pickup. In that very moment, I got sassy. Excuse me. You have to understand that when you order alcohol, you have to be available at delivery in order for me to scan your ID so that you can receive the alcohol beverages. What this is, though, is unacceptable from your side. And as a customer, this is a lack of communication and a lack of responsibility on your part, because now I'm sitting outside your house and I'm waiting and I have another customer's groceries could go bad for me waiting outside of your house to scan your ID. I've called, I've texted, and still no answer. Why would you order alcohol if you're not going to be available? Please, for future orders, be sure to be available if purchasing alcohol beverages. I will contact support and let them know that I'm returning the alcohol to the store. That's all I said. Now, I was hoping that she got the message, but then again, I was like, man, she's probably gonna be like feeling some type of way for my message, right? But I still got no reply, so I assumed she didn't get the message. I was about to leave, right? And then her neighbor actually drives by, sees me walking, pasting while I was texting this message, because I'm a black male at her neighbor's house. She knows I don't live there. So she, of course, was going to be nosy and said, hey, can I help you? I'm like, oh, yeah, I'm delivering for Instacart. Oh, yeah. Well, such and such is at a business meeting right now, and she won't be available for a while. I said, but she ordered alcohol. Why wouldn't she let me know beforehand? She goes, oh, yeah, she does that all the time. I said, really? So then she goes, can I take the order for her? I said, absolutely. If you can take this order at her house, absolutely. She said, yeah, I know the garage code. So that was enough for me. She put the garage code in and opened the garage, and she went inside the garage and she took out her ID. I scanned her ID. I said, where would you like me to place your neighbor's groceries? She said, right here in the garage. I placed them all in the garage, nice and neat. I said, then when she left, I said, thank you. And then when I left on the way out, I texted the customer again. Thanks to your wonderful neighbor, I was able to leave the groceries in your garage. Have a great evening. Yeah, sassy. Very, very not disrespectful, but not so pleasant as a customer when you read that, like, who does he think he is type thing, right? The next day, of course, I wake up with a 2-star rating saying that the donuts were the wrong donuts. I contacted support. I let them know about the donuts. So I told Instacart what happened. We went back and forth, and they were resolving the issue faster than usual. And for those of you that are in my private strategies, I will post the exact conversation that I had with Instacart, along with some other little tips here about what I'm doing right now to get it back to 5 stars as fast as possible. All right, so this is gonna be a journey. We're gonna see how fast it's gonna take me to get my account back to 5 stars starting at the time that you're watching this video. For those of you that are in the private strategies, you guys are gonna get some extra bonus clips. It's only right because you paid to be there. You guys are gonna get some extra bonus clips about in detail what I look for and what I'm choosing for the reason of getting it back up as fast as possible. Oh yeah, by the way, after I do get my account back to 5 stars, we plan on traveling around and meeting other entrepreneurs, other people crushing it with Instacart, people who may not be crushing it with Instacart, and we plan on testing the markets all over the United States, so I know you guys are gonna like that. So for that, give this video a like, please, to help me facilitate all this stuff that I'm about to be doing. Yeah, show some love. Let me know where you are, if you're down to do an interview, if you're down to meet up, and yeah, because we can have a lot to talk about and put some fire content out here for everybody else to see. But you know what's crazy? I'm still gonna turn it up. Let's go. Let's go. You know what? Look, it's time to go to war. Push-ups, baby. It's time to go to war, Instacart. Y'all think you gonna keep me down? Huh? You ain't keeping me down. Below average rating, we still gonna hit the numbers. Let's hit the numbers.
You know that I'm the image of wickedness, lacking with access to everything. My lack is deliberate, lack wisdom and innocence, lack meekness, my weakness, deep to selfish ambivalence, self-righteous diction of fulfillment to serve myself and my influence.
When this happens, what you do is contact support, right? And then they'll forward it faster for you. But first and foremost, you want to still make some money, right? So what I do is I run it up, right? But there's a certain way I run it up. And basically, you don't wait around. You don't wait around. Like there was a 41 that just popped up, and I tried to go for it, but I was pulling out my camera to film, and of course, that's just the luck. But you guys are gonna see me today, just try to run it up, see whatever I can make. Also, if you're a part of the private strategies, I will be posting the conversation that I had with support and how they're actually working on it faster, what I said to make them work on it faster. Any little details, you guys will find them in the added video sections in the private strategies. All right, so let's get it. That was a $9, no, that's too far. Oh snap, what's going on? So I took a 27. I took a horrible batch right now, but we just got to get it started, right? Because y'all seen it, below average. We did a 27 horrible batch just to start the day. I'm gonna show you how we run it up with a below average. I'm gonna run it up. I'm gonna break down exactly what I look for and what I do more in depth, all right? So let me get back to this because I don't want to mess this up, because one of the... Because even like as far as like when you're shopping, so you don't want to get another ding, you don't want to get another low star while you already have a below excellent rating. So there's certain things I do, like even when it comes to like items that the store doesn't have, or low quality items, there's certain messages I send and certain things I do, and I'll explain that more. All right, so I just want to talk about this order real quick, give you guys some gems right here on YouTube, but also some private gems for you guys. You already know, the ones that are part of the private community. Okay, so one thing I want to let you guys know is when you have anything below excellent, you have to go the extra mile. Of course, we all know, like you know, you always want to try to go the extra mile anyways, right? But you got to go like the extra mile. What do I mean? What do I mean by that? So basically, order A, this is a triple order, by the way. One of her items was the 18 pack of eggs, you know, the case of eggs that have 18. She wanted 4 of them, right? So I seen this as a great opportunity to get another 5-star rating. So what I did was I checked on all the eggs, I opened the eggs, and then I took a picture of the cases, all the cases. I laid them out. I'll show you guys the picture. I'm gonna show you guys. I took a picture of the eggs all laid out so she can see, and I said, I just want to let you know I checked on every last one of your eggs, none of them are cracked, right? She sent me a message back saying thank you so much. She was so thankful for that picture I sent her, right? And then I sent the message back. This is when I never asked for 5 stars, but in the time of low ratings, you have to go the extra mile. So without asking for 5-star rating, I basically said to her, after she said thank you so much, that I sent her that picture of all her eggs open to show that none of them were cracked, I sent a message to her because I try my hardest to show the customers that I'm very careful and I want to do an excellent job and give them an excellent service so that I can receive more 5-star ratings to show Instacart that I'm doing my best job. All right, so I'm at Costco. They came through with the clutch with the below average rating. I'm at Costco. I got a $40 16 items, easy, double. Notice that there's not too many cars in the parking lot because it's Saturday morning and most shoppers don't even know that at least in our area, Costco opens up an hour early on Saturday morning. So the batches will start to show up at 8:55, right? So I just swiped this at 8:55, gotta wait 5 minutes to go inside. But yo, it came through with the clutch. And for those of you that are in the private strategies, you guys know my exact location. So I'm not really sure if they open up early in wherever you live, whoever's watching this. But in my location, Costco opens at 9 and batches show up at 8:55. I'm about to go crush this. Peace. Hey fam, so just a quick update. This is gonna be painful, but I'm gonna do it. I got a double Sam's Club. It's 26 items, but it's, wait, let me see. Look, I'm gonna show you guys actually. It's 26 items, but look at the units. 6, 3, 6, 6, 3, 4, 5, 5, well, 4. Yo, so yeah, it's a lot of units, 56 units in total. For Sam's Club, that's massive. But good news is it's $73. Raise my account back to excellent faster. I just gotta make sure I do an excellent job, which I always do, really. But yeah, I just gotta make sure I butter up the customers really well and get this done. I'll see y'all in a bit. Peace. A below average rating, it's crazy. Nobody wanted this. Yo, I'd take this even with an excellent rating. That's a wrap. We packed up. That's a wrap. Yo, I would legit take this even if I had an excellent rating. I'd still do this. This is easy. Finish the shopping in like what, 30 minutes. And the house is 15 minutes away. Not even, the house is actually 14 minutes away. This customer was awesome. It's going to a restaurant. One of them, it's a double. It's going to a restaurant and he actually told me to add this more expensive meat and he said get all of them. Yeah, so that means that price is going up. I'm gonna make more for this batch. Let's go. I have to stop early because I'm about to go pick up my daughter. All right, I'm about to pick up my daughter. I'm gonna take her out daddy-daughter time. You know what I'm saying? There's things that's very important. But look, check this out. Check this out. I'm at $203 and it's only 3:30 in the day. That's it. It's 3:30. So yeah, I could have definitely ran it up more with a below average rating. Below average, right? Y'all see the 203, you see it's 3 o'clock, right? And then I'm gonna click my ratings. Boom, look, below average. At least 270, at least, if I would have kept going. And honestly, I think even over 300, but you know, that's just pushing it a little bit, but I think I still would have hit 300, but definitely 270. Definitely, easily. But yeah, that's the way the cookie crumbles. I'm about to go pick up my daughter. That's what it is. Also, we got some other updates on what you need to do to this to make it even faster. To make it even faster. Yes, I said we're gonna make that even faster. We're gonna make that device even faster. And I'm gonna show y'all how. So just be ready for the private videos. If you're part of private strategies, it's gonna be under added videos. Be ready for that.